Hi guys, today we are in Marbella, Spain. We actually got in yesterday evening in Algeciras. We finally got into our,
Algeciras.
Yes, and it's about 9:30 right now, and we are looking for food. It's such a different thing because we just came from Morocco. So if you want to do the same type of thing, there is a ferry from Morocco to Spain. Then we woke up at 5 a.m. to take the bus to Marbella. So we got churros.
Look how big they are. They're good.
Churros is good, but we decided to ask for chocolate. It's hot. How come it never burns your mouth?
Not that hot.
So we're finally back in the hotel to check in, which means room tour! Okay, it's actually not that exciting. Just one big room and then the bathroom. But that also means we're going to the beach. Okay, so we went back to the hotel to change, and now we're finally getting lunch. Now we're walking in the old town, and we knew a lot of Danish people already come to Marbella, but we just saw an ice cream shop that really confirmed the amount of Danes that come to this town. We are in the old town. It's so cute! And this is where we're actually getting lunch. There's a lot of lunch spots here. Found a place. This place is called Marbella Patio Restaurante. So if you're a vegetarian like us, they have vegetarian tapas. And if you're in España, you need to try tapas. In addition to having tapas, when you're in Spain, sangria. Really good. So our tapas are all vegetarian, and so we got a salt pepper with veggies, croquette, patata bravas, which is potatoes with some sauce on it, spaghetti with tomato, and then a Spanish omelet. Because Jakob is Danish, of course we had to take in Danish ice cream. I got pistachio and Kinder egg.
I got pistachio and cafe.
It's so good.
It's really good.
So lunch was super tasty. Like I had mentioned, when you're in Spain, you have to try tapas. On our way, I'm about to get a pedicure. So we changed into some thicker outerwear, and now we're on our way for dinner. Okay, so I'm going to end today here, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Buenos dias! from another day in Marbella. We are currently on our way to get a coffee. Coffee, yummy. Now we're on our way to the beach. I changed. He's still in his swim, but we're getting lunch. For lunch, we have decided on tapas. Let's see if this tapas place is better than yesterday's tapas place. Last night, we didn't exactly do nightlife necessarily, but we did go to a lounge bar hookah spot and got drinks, and we noticed that that specific street was in front of the yachts. And we went on a Tuesday night, so it was very quiet, but we feel like during prime summer it will be insanely busy. But right now we're walking this super long boardwalk, which is filled with so many kinds of restaurants and shops. Oh my god! Look! We found a mini golf! I don't think I've ever actually done mini golf, so this will finally be my mini golf experience. And we just learned that it wasn't just normal mini golf, it's actually a quiz mini golf, so each hole has a question. So, ending score S 47, J 50. I won! I definitely suggest playing it if you have nothing to do other than the beach. Ooh, the end has like a cinnamon taste.
It does.
So we got sangria cava, which is basically a sangria but with sparkling wine cava. It's so good.
And we got
Olives! The olives here in Spain are so tasty. Ooh, this is a big bucket of bread. I slightly mentioned the olives in Spain are so good, but oh my goodness, these ones, top tier. What about you?
very good. So good.
When in Spain, one must get paella. So we got veggie paella. Okay, so we're finally back in the hotel, but dinner was so tasty. If you're a vegetarian, I will put the name here because it was super good for a vegetarian paella, and the starters were also really tasty. But I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from another day in Marbella, and we're currently waiting for our coffee. We're back at the coffee shop that we were here 2 days ago because they have churros. Churros for brekkie. Sounds good. Of freaking course, we're back at the beach, but I'm going to end this vlog here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because I will have more Spain vlogs after this one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!